Hello guys, today we're gonna learn how you can update or create your Facebook profile username. To do that, you have to go to right upper corner. You have to click on your profile. Here you can see settings and privacy. You just have to click on the settings, and after that you will come on this page. In the left corner you can see more in account center, so you have to go in Facebook account center, Meta account center. Now you have to click on your profile. Okay, once you click on your profile, you will see all these options. You have to click on username. Here you can create a new fresh username for your profile, or you can also update your Facebook profile username here. The only condition which is that it should be available, okay, because this is a unique username anyone can have. Okay, so this is how you can create or update your Facebook profile username. Well, how you can do that? You have to go to your profile section, then you have to click on setting part, then you can come on this Meta account center. Here you can see your profile. Here you can see your profile. You have to click on your profile. Once you click on your profile, you can see username part here. Yeah, the same way you can update your or create your username for your profile here as well. If you like this video, please do comment. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Digital Domination. Thank you so much for watching.